One step towards innovation, your idea, our solution.
Hello team, myself Komal, working as an HR in the Vincent Systems Private Limited as a young company. Vincent it is a best and talented firm. On the occasion of the Foundation Day, I would like to congratulate to all. It has been a wonderful journey all together. We have an energetic and hardworking team, and I'm sure you will achieve our future goal. The great thing about the Vincent family, everyone is learn from each other and keep motivating. Yes, I have spent almost 1 year with the Vincent Systems Private Limited, and it was like a dream journey for me. I have learned a lot of things from my director and my senior authorities. Let's hope for the best in upcoming year. Thank you.
Hi guys, I hope all of you are fine. Myself Riya, I worked as a business development manager at Vincent Systems. I'm being proud of this organization. It has been a wonderful journey altogether. On the occasion of Foundation Day, I would like to congratulate all my colleagues on a great year filled with passion, hard work and support and seniors that help us to achieve our goals. I would like to thank our multi-talented leader who has been source of inspiration and learning for me. As we are ready, we are getting to new year, lot of opportunities and growth. Thank you, stay safe, take care guys.
Hello everyone, myself Manoj, marketing head at Vincent Systems Private Limited. I have been working for Vincent Systems. We are a young company that is passionate about what it does. We believe in growing together and drive towards our goal. Our customers are our priority, and in this past year, we have been able to perform better every day. On this Foundation Day, I would like to congratulate all my colleagues for great year gone and wish them the best for year to come. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Jayashree. I'm working with the Vincent Systems since past year as a senior business development manager. It has been my absolute honor to be part of this organization. I have seen so many young talent with the full of amazing ideas and with zeal to achieve their performance with utmost dedications, which inspires me to give my best. We have connected with the amazing startups and works for so many clients which are appreciated our performance and continues to trust with their journey. I believe that after an amazing year, we are going to do wonders and we are looking forward for a trendsetter. On the occasion of this Founders Day, I wish everyone all the best and very happy Founders Day. Let's get going. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pankaj Pesika. I am a senior Android developer, team leader. As a young company, Vincent System is constantly changing, whether through new types of projects, new team members, or any other new challenge on the road. The best thing is that, along with the organization, I am also evolving in a person. On this occasion of Founders Day, I would like to congratulate management and employees for all that we have achieved together. As for furthermore, as success is never final.
Hi, I'm Madhuri. I joined Vincent Systems few months back as a UI UX designer. It is a young company full of young minds ready to learn, grow and explore. Employees are encouraged to experience and learn. New ideas are welcomed and creativity is appreciated. I joined Vincent Systems as an independent resource and now I'm a part of entire design of projects. Working here has boosted my confidence and has prepared me to taking up challenges. Blessed to be a part. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kanal Patel. I am a web developer. It's delight to work at Vincent Systems. In very short period of time, I found a company that makes you fall in love with your work. I am learning new languages and exploring new areas as well. Thank you Vincent family to helping me grow with you.
I am Pratna Shankar and an intern at Vincent Systems. First of all, congratulations on completing 1 year. I'm sure that we've all reached really far. I have been working here only for a couple months now, and in this I've already gained immense knowledge on how to develop an application end to end. Working with the entire team, I have learned so many cooperating skills. This is my first job ever, so I'm really looking forward to continuing working here, and I really hope that we can make this company prosper. So yeah, congratulations everyone. Thank you.
Hi, myself Harshad Kudishi. I am an Android developer at Vincent System. Firstly, it would be an honor to be working in a field like yours in a company employees are given some freedom to do their work at their best. In the company, we explore new things. On the occasion of the foundation day, I would like to congratulate the team and the management on the foundation day. Thank you.
Myself Shailesh Uttamrao Bogre, working with Vincent Systems for past 6 months as a backend developer. I would say it has been a rewarding journey with full of learning and fun. I had opportunity to work with an amazing management team, learn from them and grow as a person. On this foundation day, I would like to congratulate the entire management team and all the employees for their support and efforts. I am looking forward for a wonderful new year for us with full of success and hard work. Thank you.
Hello, myself Rohit Arun Chavanke. I am working as an iOS developer in a Vincent system. I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. With the new challenges every day and the support that the seniors gives, I feel I have to grow a lot and I hope to become a better. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Dashrath Naik. I am an iOS developer at Vincent System. As a part of this company, I got an ample opportunity to enhance my knowledge and skill as an iOS developer. I am grateful to be under supportive management and team that gives a sense of family. I will always commit to give my 100% to achieve our goals. Once again, thank you so much Vincent System for making me as a part of your journey.